Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today's video is a paper pumpkin video, and the name of this paper pumpkin is World's Greatest. It's the August 2020 paper pumpkin. I'm going to do an unboxing for you to show you what all's in the kit. So I've already opened this kit. You won't be seeing exactly how it usually comes just because I've already opened the package, but everything is in it. Before I get into the kit, let me just go ahead and share this with you. Our next kit is going to be the Hello Pumpkin, and if you would like to start getting paper pumpkin, you can start with this kit right here and order it by September the 10th. And you can order this through me. And this kit is our fall kit, and it has fall embellishments or Halloween embellishments in it. And this kit will have supplies to make some little treat packages in it, and as you see, the box is decorated up for fall or Halloween this time. So if you'd like to get this kit, just get in touch with me and I can help you do that, or you can go to stampinup.com and then just put in my name, Tammy Dameron, and order it that way. So now we'll get on into this kit here. And you can order these kits monthly, or every 3 months, or 6 months, or 12 months, whichever is easier for you. If you need to stop a month, take a break, or whatever, you can do that. Color spot this month is Pacific Point, and I'll be setting this color aside, of course, because I do have that color. So of course I will be putting this aside like I did last month. And here are the stamps, and I meant to stamp these out so that y'all could see them, and of course I forgot, because I usually do that. So I'll just do it this way. Hopefully you can see them without too much of a glare. But here's the stamps, and these are awards, and it says Coach, Friend, #1, World's Greatest, You're the Best, You Deserve a Medal, Teacher, Kid. This calls for celebration. Okay, those are the stamps. Alrighty, and here's the cards that you can make with them, and there's all your instructions. Very simple and easy. There's also a ruler down here at the bottom. On the back here shows all your kit, what it includes, your coordinating Stampin' Up colors: Bumblebee, Gold, Mint Macaron, Pacific Point, Soft Suede, and White. And then it shows, of course, the cards again here, and then it shows some alternatives right here. It gives you. And then also, I will be making some alternatives as always. And then here's all of our supplies. We've got some very nice Pacific Point ooh, I can't even speak. Grosgrain ribbon. It's nice and wide. It's about, I think, an inch. Let's see if I can measure this. Yeah, it looks like about an inch wide here. I'm not sure how long it is, but seems like there's a good bit of it here. So that's real nice. Lots of ribbon. I like it when they give us plenty of ribbon to play with. I'm having to stand here. Someone's got my chair. I get to sit in my chair. Then of course we have some shaker bits. All those stars for some shakers. And these are to make the shakers. And then we got another one right here. So that's nice how they did that. Look at there. 3 shakers. And all of our other adhesives. Okay, where's the let's see. We got some vellum pieces. Pop one out and show you. Well, I don't like standing doing videos. My desk is too low for that. It hurts my back. There's the vellum piece. So we got quite a few of those. We have matching envelopes and 3 designs. Yep, and 3 designs there. And then the card bases and 3 designs. Oh, there's the window sheets I was looking for. So there's our window sheets to go with the shakers. Here's our card bases. And what I like to do when they do cards like this, I usually cut them. And that way you have more. And then I used other cardstock, like the Whisper White or another color, because I just don't care to have this on the back of a card. There's no sense in having a decorative card base on the back, because that's a nice piece of cardstock, you know. So I use this like a DSP, Designer Series paper, and I like to put it on a regular piece of cardstock and make a card that way. And do layering. Okay, and then here's some other layering pieces. You got that one. And these are stitched. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. You can see that layering, or the stitch there on them. Let's see, is that help? There we go. So we've got a few of those. And okay, let's have it. Okay, here's some white cards here. So that's good. We got the white. So yeah, see, that's what I would do. I would cut these and use them on white, or I'd probably go find me some in my stash, like maybe the bumblebee or something that'll match, or the Pacific Point or something. And let's see, what do we have here? Oh, okay, we have some pieces here. So these are some frames. And then we've got that we might could do something with, and then some circles. So we've got a couple of those. And then we've got several things here where we've got circles, two different sizes of circles there, some rectangles in different sizes here. Okay, I think I got everything where I showed you on that. And then here we have, let's see, some awards. And then, ooh, look at these. Very shiny. I'm probably blinding you with this. Look how shiny that is. And then this piece here. So those two gold pieces. And I think that's... If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to click that subscribe button. Then make sure you click the bell for all notifications so that you'll be notified for all my videos. Please give this video a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. I would also love it if you could please share this video and leave me a comment down below. It would sure help my channel to grow, and I thank you so much. I think I've shown you everything. So that's everything there in the kit. So I will be coming back and showing you some alternatives. I'm not going to make the regular cards because I don't have any kids or anything really in school, but if you did, you could make like something for his coach if they're even in school, and the teacher. And I might make that one that says "You deserve a medal," I don't know, or something similar to it. And the "You're the best," that could be, I guess, for anybody. I'm definitely gonna make some kind of shaker. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So, but I will come back and I'll make some cards and show you what I'm going to do, and I'll make some cards with you on here. So I just wanted to share this though real quick, just the unboxing. So stay tuned and keep watching for more videos. Remember about the upcoming paper pumpkin. If you do want to get that, make sure you subscribe by the 10th, okay? So I'll see you again soon, and have a very blessed day. Thanks for watching.